Wiyake gima mwanchi umuligeria bwegetaseni kia Ndizi TV no gosemere kwane na kwabere kugutwara ubuligeria borobia nabo igokwego kelia emerobilio a megetaseni kia Ndizi TV na biro bindene nditokumira na asemesa ya mangana maya elinde ngomanye na ya bereka gokorekana kora chingongo chensi inye chense asinse mo chiche mitandao asinse mo ya Facebook nabo kwenda gutubwatia gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital nabo igasense meria YouTube gwetera Ndizi TV News asense moye website na gotonya gwetera www.ndizitv.net iritare FRIDAH KERUBO nolyo kwaneke buna chibi channel yogira gwekera sole asenchira ya bene nere Abigael Nyanchama toska tonyegera kwirana ndasege keke KERUBO sio elinde ngomanya mange asenchira yowenye. Mwanchi umuligereria ngo kwaligani bene linde tobeto gusanga asobwamo gochaka bono igago ika omoelio AMAIYA yebirebiga nigo tukoyachaka korwa ase orogongo rwa Gusii ase ngo kumanya buna nigo eyamateyemo yaberekewe soke bene korwa sensemo ya mosocho yego toka imeye ibunge ya kitutu chache South nabo igo kugania obokonyi aya magega yo mwana obo ase lieta Joseph MOSE oyobeteka gukora amatemwaye a KCC nabo igo kwenyorera B- ase kulinde babiri bakwerero nabo igo batabwati kibesa ase kinga kyabetega korangirirwa gwika ase University ya Baraton ase gwikira bono iga ataraba kawikira naroro nigo baba kweneke buna oborwaire bwese nabo bwabere egetange kenene ase okumutanga gukigwikirana konyora amasomo kinga kibabere bakoborya onde bwensi ole no moyo bukurwa kweneke buna ngweso kyabalebene nabo igo kumosira elinde kogenda konyora chisemi
Samarita ngorugo Joseph Nyaito MOSE na koleta matemu mwaka 2021-2022 kolende na nyote grade ya B- kolende nchete kanyaro mondo gon support elinde nyari ngo choine university mawambere irobo kongwa kwenda mugondo
kini bana Mario gatachete kwa makonya na bara irense na bonko bogori no mwana na arosa umwana yone chose bonte mama nchunda agokonya onkonya buna bana nero murusibolire nando muirania gaki basa mari motare gonkonya gaki mondorera amabera gaki timbu atikende gaki mwale gwancha
waraga ni gotosira elinde nyari ngo choini school na bakobeka ebesase nambe 07 16 43 15 77 07 16 43 15 77 akolete lieta Esbon Majuki
Umuraibense Dr. William Ruto ni golitkolya rero ara umurubilio bugotiania omokonyi bumuteneneli bw'abanyanyimbo imyomo cyo Nairobi naboigo abateneneli bebikosi okwana nabaliki bamangana nigo abagakubairaniria mbiamono ase mirime ya bagendete gukora naboigo kubagania gwetuma ase ogokorera abakenya emirimo ase nchira yo bwene naboigo obwasioko.
Let me take this opportunity to congratulate the new generals that I have appointed in various positions to preside over the various formations of the military fraternity in Kenya. The responsibility, I want to say congratulations first to you. Your appointment signifies your commitment to Kenya, your professionalism as officers, and the positions that you have been appointed to are positions you have merited out of your commitment to service to the people of Kenya. And this morning, you take over heavy responsibilities. I am confident that the positions that you now occupy are positions that you're going to use to build the military as an institution. The strength of a nation comes from the strength of institutions that make up the nation.
Omanageria omanene we serikali Isaac Mwaura nigo ara umurobelio bokwenana obokonyi wendagera AMAIYA County ya Nairobi. Osanganiga bagakwerera emirobelio ya barai ababere bakobwatrana naboigo chinga kibagendete kurwa obokonyi wendagera gocha asaba Kenya ase chinsemo boigo nigo abagakwene kyabuna nigo endagereyo erachikoba kegokonya anmono abaislam chinga kibagendete kwerobelia ase omoiga wikwengata.
Kenya shillings 124,524,500 to needy and deserving Muslim hustler families in the counties of Nairobi, Mombasa, Kwale, Kilifi, Lamu, Tana River, Taita Taveta, Nakuru, Garissa, Wajir, Mandera, Isiolo, Marsabit, Kitui, Nyeri, Baringo, Uasin Gishu, Kakamega, and Machakos. The food distribution is overseen by the respective county commissioners who are working closely with the Muslim leadership to identify the beneficiaries and to ensure a seamless and transparent distribution process. Government officials led by the Deputy President, His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua, popularly known as Riggy, is leading a similar exercise in Mombasa and later on in Nyeri, so he's doing that. We'll also take part in the distribution. The Prime Cabinet Secretary, Honorable Dr. Musalia Mudavadi, is leading the exercise in Kakamega County, with the Cabinet Secretary Salim Mvurya leading in Kwale County. Cabinet Secretary Aisha Jumwa in Kilifi, CS Zachary Njeru in Nakuru, Cabinet Secretary Eden Duale in Garissa, CS Medika Lenturi in Isiolo, Kipchumba Murkomen CS in Uasin Gishu, Cabinet Secretary Simon Chelugui in Baringo, and the host CS Penina Malonza in Machakos County. There are also several others. There are also several PSS and senior government officials also participating in the distribution in the various counties.
Egati ya babunge nigo babere bagwesokia bene na boigo kumugania omuraibe kyamagia ODM Raila Odinga otikana na mangana asiasa yense ya Kenya na boigo kwenyorera chinga kichinyororo ase okurwanirira ekirugo ky'obunyakirugo ase chinse cyobomo bwa Africa. Osanga nigo baburi Raila Odinga kweneke buna nkora lyale bene abarabe bakora ekyamagia ODM ase okuba chinga If
there's any time that ODM needs to restrain itself, is this time. Because our party leader is going to be the AU chairperson. I believe, I'm convinced, he has the competence and competencies that are requisite for that position. I also know that the President of the Republic of Kenya has put his foot down to support him, so that he's a chairperson in Ethiopia. But let me repeat, for avoidance of doubt, while we are looking to vote for a party leader, we ask him to pull back and leave politics to us for now. I know that yesterday he made a decision that is going to transfer leadership. If he wins the position, he will transfer leadership to Paranya and Joho. I repeat for a fourth time, in April election, when elections are called, I'm going to vie as the Secretary General of ODM, because I want ODM to have discipline. I want ODM to have order. I want ODM to prepare itself to form government in 2032, when I'll be vying in this country. I know the government has put his foot down on issues that come. I think what is important, number one, which the government is doing, is to ensure that only licensed cars operate.
Egati y'abanyagitari korase county ya Bomet nigo babiri bagwesokia bene nabo igoko gosereria omugiro okwana nigo baeneke bna nigo barure amatuko 18 onye serikali ye county ya Bomet tego chigotegerera amagani yabo nabo igogo kora amonchirerio ase sector yobochenu nigo barabe bagochaka omugiro bene.
We are calling this presser to register our grievances to the county government of Bomet and the public at large that we are disgruntled lot given that there have been no promotions for all our officers over the last 6 years. We therefore, we've been in consultation with the county government of Bomet for the last 3 years. They've shown no effort in trying to mitigate this grievance.
We want to aid the government. We have given a notice for 14 days, of which it is expiring on Monday. And failure to act on those issues that we have given them, we are going to issue a strike notice.
Aba kabeire abo bisa abanene kora ase kyombe gya KTDA nigo babiri bagwesokia nabo igokwene kiago tuguterare ekina ekyo babete bakobeka bosi bwekegambero kubwatikana na maunchirio aibaganiti akorekane asensemo ya KTDA osanga nigo bane kebna nigo ebunge nabo igo senate irachikoba kigokwanera amanganayo na nigo bali no gosemera na amunchirio yo nabekago korekana asibane kebna gati ya biri baganete byabere bigoikiranirwa.
Kesi yenye tulikuwa nayo na tukaona ni vizuri tuondoe hizo kesi kwa sababu tunaona mambo yenye tulikuwa tunapiga na serikali moja ikiwa kupunguza idadi ya director hizo sasa hiyo inaongeleshwa kwa parliament, ile ingine ilikuwa ya mambo ya direct sales na bado inaongeleshwa kwa parliament na kwa senate. Kwa hivyo hiyo ndio sababu tunaona tunaweza ondoa.
We were elected by the farmers to be the representative of the farmers despite the enormous challenges that came on our way, but now we have stand with one solid stand by saying that we are not on those cases. We have distanced ourselves from those cases, and now we are ready at least to, when the times for elections come, we contest the seats so that we may serve farmers as we used to do during when we were in the office.
Nasa mangana alengete chigosoli ni gongo kumanyubuna eskuru ya St. Angela Sengera nabo abanyangonga banene ime county ya Kisii ase ensemo ye gosori ya basketball magega yoko yengera eskuru ya baiseke ya kereli ne chigosoli chaba chigokolekana litukolia lero ase eskuru ya Cardinal Tunga asbaba kwenyolera obobui asbanyora chi point emerongo 52 na ibere ase emeronge 3 na 3.
So naitwa Kennedy Wekesa, the coach. This tournament, this championship, if you compare, we were much smarter than the opponents. I think Kereri, they have tried, they are good, they are very good on the board, but I think I knew what, the only weapon I knew, that is that they cannot be able to contain us for the whole 4 quarters. So comparing this year and last year, I think this one was slightly easier for us than last year.
Maybe tactically, what has been the secret for you to be always dominant on this fixture, but you have always been county champions?
Okay, this year, the previous years have been very poor on the board, but this time round, we have really trained on the board, shooting, free throw, 3 points, 2 points, all those things we've done. And this year we are much better prepared in terms of using the board than last year. So we were able to get very many baskets on board.
At the regional level, we have always seen you to around the semi-final level. I don't know this time around what you'll do to counter teams like Mototo that has always been dominant.
Yeah, we played some of those teams at the World Cup in Kisumu. And I think we are ready. Just some few touches we want to finalize, then we shall be ready for that tournament. And I think this time round, we are better placed than last year. So we shall compete. Our minimum target is semis.
Okay, fine. My name is Shania Lienz, and the journey has been a little bit difficult, but we have tried our best. Even though the other teams are also better, but we have also tried to our level best. Yeah.
Mwanju murigereria kurwa soroboti uruni onaikire omoelio bamangana maya asebire biga kolinde toska tonyegera yekoraga ensa eyemo ayona mange ningo eletere asinchira yobikirano abakwenda gutubwatia asinsemo chiche mitandao asinsemo ya Facebook gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital nabiga sensemeria YouTube gwetera Ndizi TV News asinsemo ya website na wotnya gwetera www.ndizitv.net magash kamera soko enekibna ebichana boigelio giria gwekera sole asenchira ya bene nere Abigael Nyanchama ilitrene FRIDAH KERUBO toska tonyegera umorobili wechigosoli ngochore asegeke KERUBOsio buno koletero nere Ndemo Steven twara obuligereria orobia.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'omu Gusii.